In this video we will see how to monitor an LTE frequency band transmitted from nearby 4G cell towers. (883 MHz) is the frequency band used by Jio for LTE transmission throughout India. Now we detected an LTE cell with cell ID 480 and primary synchronization ID 0. A indicates the number of antennas used at the base station, that is 2. NRB indicates the number of resource blocks used by the base station. Here it is 25. It means 5 MHz bandwidth. In this file, you can change the start and end frequency for channel search. Now we can capture samples centered around 883 MHz frequency. Similarly to the GSM, you can see the power spectral density, received samples, and spectrogram for LTE as well.